Welcome to the dancing numbers. We will go ahead and try to export the data from QuickBooks. After installing the dancing numbers and connecting with QuickBooks Desktop, you can click on Start to start exporting the data what you need. Select the QuickBooks export type. Now, first of all, the lists are available, your chart of account, classes, customers, employees, and then if you scroll down, you can see the transactions which are supported by QuickBooks. You can pick anything. So in this example, let's pick account or your chart of accounts and then click next. There are filters which are available if you would like to export only the certain name or the number or a certain type of the accounts, and also the date when the account was created. And if you would like to export inactive accounts as well, you can select both of these options and click next. It's going to show you the preview or what you would like to choose. If you would like to remove some columns that you do not need, you can click on choose fields or change header, anything that you would like to for the customization, and then we click on next step. It's going to load. It's going to show you the information once again after all the customization that you have done. And then the moment we click on export file, it's going to export everything into Excel. Looks easy. Yes, it is. Similarly, you can save the export settings, click done, and again you can go back and continue to export the other things as well. If you want, you can still use the same Excel sheet that is there, or you can export it to another sheet as well. Thank you.